Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. Today we are going to be unboxing the Bookishly Classic Crate subscription box. The Bookishly Classic Crate subscription box is a UK-based subscription box. It is a bi-monthly box that delivers a book and some bookish-themed products to your door. Each box is of course based on a classic book, and all of the items within the box are themed around that one book. Each Classic Crate box is £35. Now of course if you do not live in the UK, the actual price that you pay will depend on that exchange rate. UK shipping for this box is free and international shipping is £10. This is not my first Classic Crate that I have unboxed from Bookishly, so if you are interested to see what previous boxes are, I will leave that playlist in the comments down below so you can check it out after today's video. So something that I really do love about Bookishly, not only do they send the classic book and they send those bookish products that go with the book, there's also unique artwork that is designed for every classic crate. So before we do actually get into the box, because I always forget to mention this, the way that Bookishly does their classic crates, the way that they sell them, I guess, online, is that they are selling that month. So currently it is September's box, and September's box, I don't know why I'm putting it, I guess because it's technically August. So September's box is going to be the picture of Dorian Gray. And everything in that box will be themed around that classic book. And regardless of when you purchase your box, the boxes ship at the end of that month. So the box that is currently selling, which is the September box, it's called that because that box will not ship until the end of September. So this one, I just received this a few weeks ago, so I'm assuming this is the July box? If I'm counting the months backwards, because yes, it was shipped at the end of July. So this is the July box for Bookishly Classic Crate. Now let's get into the box. We're met with what the design is going to be, so it looks like a nighttime sky, and I think this is a Shakespeare box, one of his plays. I could be wrong, but a little close-up of what that artwork is going to be. It looks like a night sky. Yay, it is! Oh my goodness, there's packing puzzles everywhere now. Oh, great. Yes, it is a Shakespeare box, and so excited. I absolutely love Shakespeare. As you can see by this picture from a few school years ago, where it was a dress like a public, I think, dress like a historical figure. I think it was a dress like historical figure day. I'm not exactly sure, but that I dressed up like Shakespeare and posed in my classroom with my Shakespeare poster. So yeah, big fan of the Bard. So here we have some information, a little menu of sorts, and this box is designed around A Midsummer Night's Dream by William Shakespeare. Bookishly includes a little author's card with an illustration of the author. So the quote that they chose from Shakespeare is, "My soul is in the sky." And some information about him. He was born around 1564, died 1660. His nationality was English. And a fun fact, Shakespeare's works have been translated into 80 languages, including Klingon. And so this is the artwork for the box on the back of the card. Pulling out a tea from Jenny or Teas, and this is the, let's see if we can focus, yes, A Midsummer Night's Tea, and this has black tea, coconut pieces and apple pieces, strawberry pieces, rosehip pieces, kiwi pieces, hibiscus, rose petals. That sounds very different and quite tasty. If you are a person that likes a cohesive box, Bookishly Classic Crate is probably the one for you, because on this bookmark that they sent us, has the artwork. You can definitely tell what box this is from. And so the quote that they chose for the bookmark is, "What angel wakes me from my flowery bed?" We also have what sometimes I do consider a larger bookmark, but definitely artwork that you could frame and hang up. And there is a quote. I know that it is a lot of text. I will read it for you in just a second, but I wanted to give you the full vision of what it looks like. "I know a bank where the wild thyme blows, where oxlips and the nodding violet grows, quite over canopied with luscious woodbine, with sweet musk roses, and with elegantine. There sleeps Titania, sometime of the night, lulled in these flowers, with dances and delight." Bookishly included a bunch of postcards with some quotes from the book. So here is the first one. I must go seek some dewdrops here and hang a pearl in every cowslip's ear. For days will quickly steep themselves in night, for nights will quickly dream away the time. These are beautiful. I really like the sun and moon in this one. This one is for everyone that in school, instead of listening to the teacher, just drew eyes on their notebook pages. Love looks not with the eyes, but with the mind, and therefore is winged Cupid painted blind. Though she be but little, she is fierce. To say the truth, reason and love keep little company together nowadays. Love the artwork for this one. So usually, and this is me going to be selfish, usually I like to keep these and just send them out at random times, or kind of like put them in gifts or something like that, but I'm going to keep all of these. I think I'm going to frame all of these and make a little gallery wall in my kitchen out of them. I like them. Oh, I forgot about this. So whenever I unpacked everything, I forgot there's a box. So let me see what's in the box. Oh, it's not what I thought, but I just looked on the menu. I saw they were starting to sell these in their shop, and I'm glad that they sent one. Candle, by the way. It's a candle. I realized I knew what it was, but you did. Bookishly makes book-themed candles now. So they are hand-poured, soy wax, and made in small batches. And this one, Ill Met by Moonlight. This features the scent of mandarin, amber moss, jasmine, and sandalwood. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. Like, you want to smell? It smells fantastic. It's dark, but calming and elegant at the same time. Oh my gosh. This smells amazing. I'm gonna have to put this in my rotation of candles. If you didn't get to see it, at the beginning of the week, I posted my latest Bath & Body Works candle haul, and they're all fall candles, and this would fit right into that rotation. It smells divine. So Classic Crate does send you 2 books. One is, of course, the classic book that the entire crate is centered around, but then there's another one, a small penguin classic, A Cup of Sake Beneath the Cherry Trees. I really like that they send these little books. They're fun just to pick up if I'm ever bored and just kind of thumb through and read through. And then finally, or not finally, but finally with the books, the Midsummer Night's Dream cover. Oh, this is beautiful. And then the side and the back. So yeah, I already have a copy of this, but it's currently in my classroom, so I'm glad to have another copy. A Midsummer Night's Dream is one of my favorite plays by him. And then the final thing is wrapped up like a little Christmas gift. Let's see, it's a page with a quote stamped on it from the book. Let's see which quote they picked. Yes! Yes! Lord, what fools these mortals be. I love this quote. This is my favorite quote from the play. It's instantly going to go on my bookshelves. So that was everything that came in a Midsummer Night's Dream themed Classic Crate Bookishly subscription box. That was a mouthful to say. As far as like my final thoughts on this box, I figured I was really going to like this box because I really like the play and I really like Shakespeare. And yes, I definitely do. I'm really glad that they sent over one of their candles, just because I was planning to eventually place an order for a few of their candles from their actual store. But now that they sent one over, I definitely plan to place an order. If all of them smell as good as this, yeah, definitely do. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this subscription box. If you would like to know more information about Bookishly Classic Crate subscription box, I do have their website linked down below as well, so you can check it out. They also do on their website, I forgot to mention at the beginning, and I kind of mentioned it just now, but they do have an actual store within their website and other sort of subscription boxes. I think they still have them on their site as well. So if you want to purchase like a one-off item or possibly a past box, they have that on their store as well. That is it for today's video, and now is your chance to tell me what you thought about it. If you liked this video, go right ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you disliked this video, go right ahead and give it a thumbs down. If you have not done so already, please do consider hitting that subscribe button and ringing that bell. That way YouTube will let you know each and every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in another video. Goodbye!